there's only a few days left until Christmas. The holiday season is wrapping itself up. You still don't have a gift. You're probably pooping your pants, but it's okay. It's okay, I got you. Here are 9 gifts for her, or anyone really, if you happen to be short on time. Number 1, a relaxing experience. I'm thinking spa day. I'm thinking massage, manicure, pedicure. You know, all of these massage envy-esque places are really trying to rake in the bucks right now anyway. So get them a gift card. Get them a massage, get them an experience that is relaxing, especially if the someone is a parent. Oh my gosh. I like this any time of the year, but it is also a really great holiday gift. Number 2, tickets to a future show. Now, okay, the Nutcracker and all of those kind of traditional holiday shows are probably sold out for Christmas time and even New Year, but that's not to say that you can't get a gift for a later experience. It's really great because it's still an experience if the person that you're into or you care about is into the theater, loves musicals, loves plays, loves concerts. This is a great gift. You'll still have the physical gift of the tickets on the day that the gift giving is happening, but it's for a later experience, so it's kind of like twofold. I really like this one. Number 3, the gift of a shopping spree. Now this could come in the form of just regular dollar bills in an envelope or a gift card to their favorite store, whether that's a clothing store or a tech store or a music store. I think it's actually a little bit better to get a gift card of a certain amount because it shows that you've put a little bit more thought in it. Put it in a card that has some thoughtful words, and it kind of shows them that you know where they like to shop, but it gives them the freedom to kind of go on a little bit of a shopping spree. So this one is really good, last minute, and they have digital e-cards for most retailers. Number 4, tap into your skills. What are you good at making? Do you make lotions? Do you make fragrances? Do you make scrapbooks? Are you an excellent baker? I think that it is really cool to make a gift very personalized by spending some time in the kitchen or at a desk making something that is very memorable and also very sentimental. And then you can make it really look good by going to a Michael's store or a Joann Fabric and really getting some bits and pieces that can really make it look like a total gift, whether that's wrapping things in yarn with stickers, you know, handwritten little notes, writing down the ingredients, just making it really nice, putting it in one of those kind of Michael's boxes and giving it to them. It gives the gift of thought, creativity, and it's personalized. No one else will have it. Number 5, a DIY gift basket. Now, you might want to be a little bit careful because gift baskets can actually become very expensive, but my tip for you is to put a dollar amount. If you want that gift basket to be like $200, $100, $20, think of that before you go into the store and get a bunch of things that can add up and kind of connect to make a little gift. So you could get like a really inexpensive basket and put a nice wine and a wine opener and some wine glasses in there. If your person's into makeup, you can go to a Sephora and you can stock up on an eyeshadow palette, some brushes, maybe a blush, maybe some eyeliner, maybe focus on one feature of the face, whether that's foundation if you know their shade, or better yet, eyeshadow and lipstick and some brushes. You could make a sexy gift by going to a place like Lane Bryant or Victoria's Secret and making a gift of some lingerie with a robe and some slippers. It's really all about knowing the kind of person that you're shopping for. Perhaps it is a iTunes gift card for music or Spotify, and some new picks for their guitar and a cool hat. Okay, clearly I don't know enough musicians, but you could really get creative and just think about the things that the person has been wanting and maybe not able to get themselves, and put it all into a gift that's cohesive and that makes sense. Number 6, buy a subscription. Now this one's a little off. It's not your traditional gift. Maybe it's for someone that's like your significant other and they said, look, I don't want anything for Christmas, but you still want to get them something. You could get them a 3 to 6 month subscription to their favorite service, whether that's, you know, their favorite magazine, or my favorite is Audible. If you know that they love listening to audiobooks, or maybe they like listening to Apple Music or Spotify. I think Spotify might be free, but you can give them a subscription to Hulu or Netflix and, you know, kind of get them off of your plan. No, don't do that. But this is kind of one of those off-brand gifts for, you know, someone who says that they don't want anything, they don't need anything, someone who has everything, and you just want them to know that you've thought of them. Number 7, if you have someone who's into tech, this is really tricky because tech is very expensive. I mean, have you ever gone to the Apple store? Everything is at least like 50 bucks, right? 30 bucks and above. I mean, you can get a cord for like $20, but that's still a lot for a cable, right? But at Apple, places like Apple or Best Buy, you can get some really cool things like a mug that keeps the temperature all day. So maybe your person is really into coffee and tea and they're constantly drinking, and maybe their tea or coffee is getting cold by the middle of the day. This is a really, really cool gift. I've also seen a gift of Polaroid pictures where it's kind of synced up in an app on your phone, and you take a photo with your phone, but it prints out onto a physical Polaroid, which is really, really cool. You can also just go ahead and get them the iPad. I mean, I don't think anyone is going to mind that one, and they're usually always in stock, whether that's at the Apple Store, Best Buy, or on Amazon. Now, you really can't go wrong with a beautiful piece of jewelry, and trust me, these retailers are going to also want your coin. Go in there and try to find something sentimental. For example, my husband knows that I like Tiffany's, and he one year got me this necklace that was in the shape of a bean, and it was supposed to signify new beginnings. Pandora is a really, really popular retailer for creating memories. Maybe you went on a trip with someone and you guys didn't get that little Hawaii charm. I think you can only get that in Hawaii, but maybe you can send them another kind of memory, or a heart pendant with your photos, like a locket, or just a really nice piece of jewelry from David Yurman. I mean, I know my tastes are expensive, but you can also get things that are just gold or silver from pretty much most retailers that sell real metals, and that's always a wonderful gift. And number 9, for the person you've gotten all the jewelry for, what are they gonna hold it in? An armoire. I love these things. You can get really, really cool ones on Amazon. They could be really small little treasure chests, or they can be over the door. They can be standing up with mirrors and doors that swing out. I have one myself that's from Amazon that I am obsessed with. It hangs on my door, so it saves space. It comes and you can light it if you put batteries in it or not, but it opens up. It has all of my jewelry, and you guys know that a girl loves her jewelry, whether that's real jewelry or costume jewelry. I just think armoires are something that's very overlooked and could make an amazing gift. So those are my holiday gift guide picks for her. I wish you luck. Shout out to the Coily crew for holding this channel down. We have a lot of fun. We do lives once a month, and I'm really getting to know everyone. If you're into pretty much anything from natural hair care to budgeting, we do all kinds of topics. If you're interested in my last gift guide for him, it was really good, I've been told. I'm gonna link it here. And if you're interested in natural hair care, I do those kind of videos too, so I'll link a playlist right there. Anyway, I wish you all the best this holiday season. Knock their socks off with these gifts, especially if you make it homemade, okay? I'll see you on a Monday or a Thursday. Mwah.